I had forgotten just how comfortable and amazing the Rolex Jubilee bracelet really is. Of course, this isn't a Rolex Jubilee bracelet. This is a Pagani design homage to the GMT Master 2. And they have their Jubilee style bracelet. And I have to say that of all watch bracelets out there that I've ever worn, and I've worn pretty much the majority of different styles from, you know, Rolex, Tudor, Omega, Hamilton, etc. But I have to say that of all of them, if it was only on comfort alone, the Rolex Jubilee and ones that are similar, that are very similar, like this Pagani design version, which tapers very, very similar and has, of course, a copy essentially of the clasp. These are unquestionably, in my honest opinion, the comfiest watch metal bracelets out there. They are simply unbelievable, and the value that you can get in these watches off Pagani design, it does actually blow my mind, because I paid, I think, just over £70 for this watch, and I will do a full review, but I'm absolutely stunned by how comfortable and how straight up amazing that bracelet is. It just disappears on the wrist. It feels completely different to the 3-link oyster style versions. I will be posting a full review. This watch is a spec monster. Ceramic bezel, full lume. It's got I think it's an NH35 movement. Obviously you've got full solid 5-link bracelet, solid end links. You've got a fantastic clasp. Works really well. 100-meter water resist. They are spec monsters. There's an AliExpress link down below. However, I will be posting a full review. The watch, for what I paid for it, it's not possible, I don't think, currently, to find watches that have this spec for that value. They are unbelievable what Pagani design are doing right now. However, some of them do have QC issues, and if they do, get immediately onto Pagani. I've checked mine and I can't find any, but if you find any on your watch, get onto Pagani design and they will replace the bracelet or they'll replace the bezel and they'll sort it out for free. I've bought many watches off them, and some of them, I will admit, they do actually have QC issues, and if they have them, then they need to be resolved by Pagani. But I've not had any issues with them resolving any of the QC problems. But yeah, but it's reminded me just how comfortable a watch bracelet can be, because this Jubilee style bracelet is straight up fantastic. It fits like a glove. It disappears on the wrist. Brilliant. We need more watches that have this style of bracelet on it.